Hi guys, quick sanding tip for you here. When I first started, I was using a grip mat to sand on, and I noticed it was leaving little marks and indentations on the bottom of the wood as you get across hatch marks. Because I didn't want to put it directly onto the bench, because obviously that could scratch or damage the wood. So what I went and did was I went to my local market where there's a carpet shop, and I got myself a bit of this sponge underlay, you know, the lots of different bits of sponge with thin material either side, just sandwiched in. Really good, protects the wood from getting scratched underneath. Also, it's, you know, when you're sanding, it's got a bit of grip to it as well, so it doesn't slip around too much. So yeah, little tip. Cheers guys.